In this video, you will learn what kind of data you normally collect using Google Analytics and how it is collected using cookies. At a high level, you can use Google Analytics to collect data about how visitors find your website, how they interact with it, who they are, and what they buy from your website. Google Analytics represents the data collected in the form of reports. There are four standard reports in Google Analytics. The audience reports tell you who your visitors are. For example, how old they are, what is their gender, and which cities they come from. The acquisition reports provide information about how these people find your website. For example, whether they performed a search in Google, or clicked on an ad, or clicked a link to your website on Facebook. The behavior reports give information about how these visitors interact with your website. For example, which pages they look at and for how long. The conversions report tell you how effective your website is in converting visitors into buyers. For example, you can measure how many people are buying from your website or how many people have subscribed to your email newsletter. Throughout this course, we will use a test site www.thebestappbuilder.com for demonstration purposes. This is a real live website with data collected over a few months using Google Analytics. The site is set up to sell kits for developing Android and Windows mobile apps. Google Analytics, like all web analytics software, uses cookies to collect data about visitors to the website. Google Analytics cookies are test files that usually store information about the website visitor and site's name. It uses a unique but anonymous user identifier for each visitor to keep track of their visits. When a person comes to your site for the first time, Google Analytics will generate a unique but anonymous user identifier for this person. This user ID or user identification is stored in the cookie on the visitor's computer. When the person comes to your site again, the browser will send this cookie to your website. Google Analytics will then be able to figure out that this person is a repeat visitor. Let us look at an example of a cookie. This is a cookie set on my computer by a website I visited in the past. This cookie was set by Google Analytics. Its name is _GA. You can see the name of the website in the domain field. The long string you see in the content field is the unique user identifier Google Analytics generated for me on this particular website. On my subsequent visits, this ID will be used to identify me as a repeat visitor.